In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date to a task in Todoist. This is a simple but really powerful way to make sure your tasks don't just sit on a list, but actually get done on time. Let's start from the point where you're already inside your Todoist account and you can see your task list. Find the task you want to schedule. This might be something like finish report, call the dentist, or plan weekend trip. The first thing you need to do is click on that task. When you click on it, a task detail panel will open, usually on the right side of your screen or in a pop-up window depending on your device. Inside this task detail view, you'll see several options related to that specific task. Look for the option labeled Date. This is the control that lets you assign when you want to work on or complete that task. Go ahead and click on Date. Once you click it, a date picker or calendar will appear. Here, you can choose a specific day, like today, tomorrow, or any date in the future. Simply navigate through the calendar and click the date that makes the most sense for this task. If you're using natural language input, you might also see quick suggestions like today, tomorrow, or next week, which you can select with a single click. After you've selected your date, Todoist will automatically attach that date to the task. You should now see the chosen date displayed near the task name, both in the task detail panel and in your main task list. This means Todoist will treat it as a scheduled item, helping it show up in views like today or upcoming, depending on what you picked. If you realize the date isn't right, you can simply click the task again, click on date once more, and choose a new day. The process is exactly the same, and the change updates instantly. By consistently clicking on a task, then clicking on date, and assigning the right day, you turn a basic to-do list into a more structured schedule. That way, you always know what needs attention today, what's coming up soon, and what can wait, all without any extra complexity.